Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this Ninja Foodi extra large pressure cooker. So we're going to go ahead and open this puppy up and see what we have inside. So what's inside the box? So first of all, of course, you got your instructions. You have this little tray that you can use, and then of course the main unit itself. Right here, it has your digital display right here. You have this pan that goes in here. You have one of these little pans that goes in here, and then you have this other extra lid. Right? I am going to be doing some cooking with this, so please stay tuned. And see how this baby actually works. But once again, this has been an unboxing of this Ninja Foodi extra large pressure cooker and air fryer. Thank you for watching.